We have an emergency situation. I'm out of coffee and Liam is out of Coca-Cola, so we must rectify that. I had enough this morning for 1 cup, which was great. That got me through the morning, but now it's time to load up some more, so I've got to go get some coffee. So there's a place here in town that I buy that's called Lucky's. It's a all-natural market. It's kind of like a Whole Foods or something like that. It is a chain. I don't know how large it is, though. Most people haven't heard of it. But they have a great deal on coffee, $9.99 a pound. I'm sorry, $5.99 a pound, compared to everyone else in town is $9.99 a pound. It's a great deal. So I buy French roast coffee there for $5.99 a pound. I usually get 2 bags of it when I go. So that's my go-to joint. Had to get a little snack while I was in there. So prosciutto wrapped mozzarella cheese. It's so good. You know, it's always a good idea to have a P.O. box. The reason is there's times you want people to be able to send you things, but you don't want to come to your home address. The problem with having a P.O. box is that then you have to check it periodically. I've had a P.O. box since 2000. I come down here periodically and check it. I still get some mail there for different businesses and so forth. But it is a hassle to have to drive down to the local post office and actually go in and check it and so forth. But if you ever do need to send me something, I'll give you my P.O. box number. One of the downsides of buying coffee at a very affordable rate at a natural food store like Lucky's is that when you need to buy something else like soda and Coca-Cola, which is the only thing that my 19-year-old drinks, is Coke, you have to go to a different store to pick that up. So now we're going to go to a different store to get him some Coke. Mission accomplished. Coffee, a snack, P.O. box, Coca-Cola. So today I've been vlogging with the GoPro Hero 6 with the little omnidirectional mic, and while it does pick up a little bit more background noise, I do love the portability of this. It's so great. I can pop it off, take it in a store, I can carry it around easily, I can keep it in my car easily. It's light, portable, good battery life. I realize the image quality would be better with my bigger camera, but sometimes I just like to grab this thing for portability, especially when you're climbing in and out of the car and popping in and out of places. It just makes a lot of sense. So if you haven't seen it, check it out. The Hero 6 has got pretty great image stabilization now. The audio quality is not good unless you get the external audio adapter. And you can change up the microphones on it, but I did this because many times I'm biking, I have the camera in front of me, have it facing me. I wanted a little bit more of an omnidirectional mic to pick up good audio quality. So the sacrifice because of that is the background noise. So you'll hear more wind noise, more noises in the car and all that stuff. But it's turned out to be a good solution. I'm happy with it overall. I made a video about it. You can go back and look at it, stuff like that. But it has been a great tool to have. I use it on the boat, I use it for biking, and sometimes I just throw it in the car with me and use it. Back. I think it's time for some delicious B-roll now. Thanks for joining us on our coffee and Coke expedition for the day. Thanks for following along. It's great to see you again. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Hey, Captain Bob here. Just wanted to let you know we have t-shirts and other merch that we're going to be adding to the site. Check it out at captainbob.me/store. Go get yourself a shirt.